We're here in North Dallas today. Here we've poured the concrete. We have all the conduit and the gas line, the electrical, the plumbing. All of it's been run and it's ready for its next inspection. We've got the electrical rough up top. We did the standing seam roof already, so there's a metal roof on the roof there. We're gonna put tongue and groove cedar detail up underneath it. We're gonna build a masonry wall that's gonna look just like the house across the back, and then we'll have a really neat kitchen. We're gonna have turf coping. So this area right here will all be turf. There's gonna be a playground here. We're gonna put a pad in so it's a little bit softer underneath the playground. And then the turf is gonna go right up to the edge. The guys over here are working on installing the can lights for this shade structure. It's gonna have 3 light boxes underneath it. It's also got the standing seam roof on it. We're gonna do a full PVC AZEK deck. It's called TimberTech. Has a 50-year warranty, and that's really gonna pop sitting right there on top. The turf will wrap around and go all over way over here. The turf will go in and tie in this area. There's gonna be automatic screens on this existing porch, and we're real excited to see how it all ties together.